Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Udupi location. It is from Karnataka. I am going to mention all the links in the description box to apply for these positions mentioned in this video. Interested candidates, you can please go through them. Coming to the video, firstly, there is a job opening for the social media marketing intern. It is from HNE Foods, and if you see the eligibility for this internship, you must have accounts on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn and WhatsApp, and you must be able to work a minimum of 4 hours per day, and desktop or laptop with internet connection. These are some eligibilities for this position, and if you see the key responsibilities, they will include you will have to share their content on various social media platforms with the sales as target, and you will have to get genuine followers for their social media accounts, and you will have to work in accordance with the provided procedure, and you have to create awareness among people about the brand and product offered. These are some responsibilities for this position, and this is the minimum 2 months duration internship. You can please go through the details given here, and for more detailed information and to apply for this position, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for the recruitment specialist. It is from Robosoft Technologies. For this position, the responsibilities will include you have to develop talent by leveraging recruiting process and tools and gathering role recruitments and recommendations, and you have to influence hiring managers on their hiring strategy and provide status update on open roles, and partner with key business, staffing, and hiring stakeholders to build solutions for diversity, equity, and inclusion objectives. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position, and if you see the key requirements, you should have 5 years plus experience in end-to-end recruitment in IT technologies, and you have to take ownership individually and as a team member in supporting all open roles, and you should have strong communication, analytical, or influential skills. Next one, there is a job portion like senior game designer, and it is from 99 Games. For this position, the responsibilities will be you like working on neat problems, and you have to think big and start small, and you have to enjoy working with data. These are some responsibilities, and here they are elaborated, these ones you can please check once. Interested candidates, you can please check once in the description box to apply. Next one, there is a job opening for the consultant radiologist. It is from Manipal Health Map. For this position, like the highlights will be, you have to dedicate MSK MRI exposure, a wide spectrum of challenging musculoskeletal cases on a daily basis, and onco radiology and gastroimaging. These are some highlights for this position, and if you see the additional perks, SRship, like it is senior residency certification at KMC, and inclusion into the fraternity of eminent radiologists of health map across the nation, and periodic clinical meets and brainstorming sessions. These are some perks available for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through them. Next one, there is a job opening for the Ruby on Rails developer, AJAX or MVC or cloud storage. It is from Robosoft Technologies. For this position, the responsibilities will be, you have to apply knowledge of Rails 4 Plus and guide and help pairs on need basis, comprehend performance issues and solve them. And you should have knowledge of Git, including merging, branching, and resolving merge conflicts. These are some responsibilities. And if you see the desired skills, you should have strong knowledge in Ruby on Rails, and ability to understand the existing course structure and ability to work independently, and you should have knowledge of cloud storage system, configuring and deploying application in different environments, and you should have good communication skills. These are some desired skills required for this position. And if you see the technical skills required, like you should have knowledge in RVM or similar management tools for Ruby, and you should have knowledge of all aspects of Ruby on Rails. These are some responsibilities skills required for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Next one, there is a job opening for the sales engineer. It is from Team Role Inc. And if you see the experience required for this position, like you should have minimum 2 years of experience, and the CTC will be 2.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs per annum. And if you see the responsibilities for this position, like conduct market research, generate new sales prospects through cold calls, social media, etc., and set up meetings, deliver presentations, and negotiate or close deals, and gather feedback from customers. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. For more detailed information on to apply for this position, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for the Java developers, Spring MVC Spring Boot, and it is from Robosoft Technologies. And if we see the roles and responsibilities for this position, like you should have experience in developing applications using core Java and J2EE, and you should have knowledge of JSP and servlets, and knowledge of design patterns, and you should have experience in frameworks like Spring MVC, Spring Boot, and Java Play, and experience in any ORM tools like Hibernate, JPA, and EB, and you should have knowledge of using RDBMS like MySQL and Oracle, and using any of the application servers like Tomcat, JBoss, WebLogic, etc. And you should have basic knowledge of HTML5, JavaScript, CSS, and jQuery. These are some roles and responsibilities and skills required for this position. For this position, like you should have 4 to 8 years of work experience, and there are 15 job vacancies are available for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Next one, there is a job opening for the sales officer. It is from IFCO Kisan Sanchar Limited, and it is a 12 months contract, and it is a full-time job opportunity, and it will be an internship, or and it should be walk-in, and the salary will be 8,000 plus to 34,000 plus per month, and it will be a day shift, and you should have 1 year of experience in this field. Interested candidates can please go through it. Next one, there is a job vacancy for school principal. It is from Crystal Education Trust X. And if you see the required experience and skills and qualifications required for this position, like you should have BEd or MEd, MA or MSc graduation, like, and you should have prior experience as a principal or vice principal will be given preference, and you should have minimum 5 to 10 years of experience as a school head. And if you see the benefits, like they will provide PF, ESI, commuting support and accommodation if required, and it will be a full-time job opportunity, regular or permanent, and the salary will be 30,000 to 50,000 per month. Interested candidates can please go through the details mentioned here, and for more detailed information, please check in the description box to apply.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.